Hello everyone, I am Albert. Today, I want to introduce you to perhaps the most anticipated camera for anglers in this year. This is the CanFish Fishing CamX. The matte black packaging exudes a sense of technology at first glance, giving off a minimalist and premium feel. Combined with the functional images on the box, I was very curious about what the Fishing CamX inside would look like. Let us unbox it and take a look. The body is coated in titanium gray, with integrated fluid dynamics design, giving it a very technological look. Indeed, it boasts ROV level waterproof standards, supporting recording up to 200 meters deep. Whether you're using it in fresh or salt water, it excels in meeting filming requirements. The lens features a 1080p HD camera, supporting video recording at 30 or 60 frames per second. Additionally, the software has excellent light correction capabilities, combined with the body design, resulting in stable shooting effects. It can intelligently segment recordings or allow you to set segment durations independently. Moreover, it transmits video data wirelessly, with a transmission distance of up to 50 meters in the air, allowing you to see the underwater recording on your phone and share your exciting moments instantly. Both ends have perforations for connecting leader lines and main lines for combination fixing to the fishing line. It can be used for casting, trolling, bottom fishing, float fishing, and other techniques, allowing you to record exciting moments of different fishing methods and the process of hooking fish. Speaking of the background of this product, it has quite impressive. Chasing Innovation Technology Co. Ltd. They are involved in underwater drones, robots, unmanned ships, and other products, exploring the infinite possibilities underwater using technologies such as sonar and cameras. Overall, I am very satisfied with the Fishing CamX. It fills a gap in the underwater filming field, especially in capturing bait chasing and biting processes. As for its target audience, it will undoubtedly become a boon for fishing bloggers with its new shooting perspective. Furthermore, it provides the most intuitive understanding of the underwater movement of lure and the bite status of target fish, so anglers will surely be very happy. If you want to experience this product firsthand, contact me for exclusive fan benefits and discounts waiting for you. Well, that is it for today's unboxing. If you have any other questions, suggestions, or new gameplay ideas, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. I am delighted to be a tester for Fishing CamX and look forward to its underwater performance.